VEVOR's manual retractable awning, 78x47, is one of those low-cost upgrades that genuinely transforms your outdoor space into a cozy sun-safe spot. The Amazon listing features a high-density 180G polyester canopy coated with waterproof PU and UV 80+ protection, so you get both shade and light rain defense without fuss. The pricing isn't listed directly, but similar models on the VEVOR site hover around $69.99 for this size. On the spec sheet, it gets practical. The frame combines steel and aluminum for sturdy support, and it includes a privacy shade curtain too. You can adjust the height from about 86 to 122 and tweak the angle from 0 degrees to 90 degrees with the crank handle for perfect shade throughout the day. Plus, installation's pretty chill. No drilling required, just snap-on connectors and screws, but plan for a buddy to help. Feedback from users is generally positive, averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars across multiple sizes like 78 and 118. One reviewer who went for the 118 variant said it was rugged and easy to assemble and use, which is exactly the vibe I'm picking up. Other sources note good value and easy assembly, though a handful mention the instructions could be clearer. But overall, the solid shade coverage and materials win people over. So yeah, if you're after a no-frills, functional retractable awning that's easy to adjust and won't break the bank, this VEVOR model is a smart pick. And of course, we share by links in description box so you can grab the size and style I'm showing here.